Alright, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Moody Color. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Take a look at our raw file first, ISO 320 19mm f2.8, and check out our free preset. Here's before and here's after. Really nice deep moody tones. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Alright, now we're going to go to the Creative Flow. We got all our presets here. Take a look at the matte collection and all the way down to color. So you have different variations, but I like this one right here. Give it a click. You can notice two things. You get an adjustable preset, go right at 115, and it also blends in this nice profile called Prints. So you can see it just adds that film fade effect. And that's coming from the chroma fade. Leave it right at 17. And we're going to do a few more things. Each collection has a lens correction, so this only works with raw files. You can see right there it changes that look. And with that, I'm going to open up the vignette, and you have the lens vignette and then the post vignette. Maybe right at -50 for the lens vignette. And there we go. Take a look at before and after. Here's before and here's after. Can really notice the lens correction before and after. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset named Moody Color, and also put a link to the Creative Flow, which includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.